Has been covering this morning. Started as an Amber Alert, then a standoff. What's the latest, Sloan?
Good morning, Krista. At this point, police are telling us they still believe the standoff is underway. We're, of course, about a block away from where the actual house is. But again, at this point, all morning we've been telling you about a man, Eric Yeager, accused of stabbing his girlfriend in the neck and then taking off with their 4-month-old son about 2 o'clock this morning. Well, his son was found safe in this neighborhood about 10 miles from where they live in the Old Northeast. And now they believe that his father, Eric Yeager, is hiding in a relative's home in this neighborhood. Again, they're telling us that this standoff is underway at this point. Now, they did arrest one relative. They are telling us this is Eric Yeager's brother who was arrested. He tried to run into the home, we're told, where Eric Yeager was hiding, and that is why he was arrested, you can see. But again, at this point, as far as we know, Eric Yeager is still hiding in this home, again, about 10 miles away from where he lives. We'll have the very latest as soon as we get it. For now, we're live in North Kansas City this morning. Sloan Heller, NBC Action News Today.
All right, again, pretty compelling video. We hadn't seen that yet. Sloan, thank you very much. Again, this happening in the 5100 block of North Crystal, where it's believed the suspect in that Amber Alert from this morning is in a building holed up in a standoff with police.